In this video, we feature some great recipes for popular Kakanins that you may want to use for your food business during the Christmas holidays. Hi, if this is your first time here, please don't forget to check our other videos and playlists about ways to save money, and various business ideas that we thought would be helpful for you to earn money. Of course, if you want to get updates on our new uploads, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell, so you'll be notified when we have new content. Thanks, and let's get rolling. Here are the recipes that you can use. Thanks for watching. We hope these recipes will help you on your food business for the coming Christmas holidays. Thank you so much for all your support, and we hope you will still continue to spread the word by sharing our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell to get notified when we upload new videos. See you soon.